Now let us check the mobile application account of the company user. So we are logged in as a company account user on the Accountant Gateway platform. As you can see in the list, there are invoices, receipts, payments, inputs, reports, which are the transactions of this company. So let us click on the invoices. So all the invoices uploaded by this company are listed over here. We can upload new invoice by the plus button on the right hand side below. So we can add invoice similar to the web login through this button. We can attach photos or attachments, add a comment, and save this invoice. We can also search invoice through search invoices, through invoice number, vendor client name, by invoice date and submission date. Then in upper right hand side, there is filter of purchase and sales invoice. Let us check the payments, receipts, inputs, and reports. In the receipts tab, now on the right hand side, there are purchase and sales invoice, green and blue, receipts, pending, accepted, rejected, with orange, green, and red. Similarly, payments, pending, accepted, rejected payments, then inputs count and reports count. Now let us check the details of the receipt. Let's click on the receipts. All the receipts uploaded by this company are listed over here. We can also search receipt by clicking on search receipts. Minimum amount to maximum amount, received from, date, and submission date. You can click on the right hand side below button, plus button, to add new receipt. In add receipts, all the fields which were listed in a web account are over here. For adding receipt or payment, photos or attachments are not mandatory. You can add receipt through this tab. You can go to the details of receipt by clicking on the receipt itself. You can see all the details of the receipt, its photos and attachments, etc. You can also, on the right hand upper hand side, there's a filter of pending, accepted, and rejected receipts. We can select the filter to see the respective receipts. Now in payments tab, all the payments done by this company are listed, which are uploaded to its CFM. Through search payments, we can also search payments by minimum amount to maximum amount, beneficiary name, payment date, submission date. And on the right upper hand side, there is pending, accepted, and rejected payments filters. You can click on the payment to go to the payments details. You can see photos and attachments uploaded with the payment details. Then on the below right hand side, there is a plus button to add the new payment. We can click on the plus button to add the new payment. Then we can add photos and attachment for this payment. You can click on the save button to add the payment. Likewise, there are inputs and reports. Now inputs are the files this company wants to share to its CFM. So let's go to the inputs. Now as we can go on uploading the inputs, there will be many inputs this company has shared with the CFM. You can search the inputs through this tab. Description, submission date range. We can go to the details of the input by clicking on the input, and on the right hand side we can view the input or download the input. Then in the plus button below, you can add the new input. We can attach a file and description and comment and click on the right hand side upper corner save button to add the new input. Similarly, there are reports which are the files shared by the CFM to this company. You can click on the reports to see all the reports shared by the CFM. You can search reports by description and submission date. Then we can click on the report to download that report. In the attachment field, on the right hand side, there is a view download button. We can click on it to download the report.